All right, folks. Out here piddling with the van today. Like I said before, the alternator ain't charging. So I'm gonna take it off and try to check the regulator on the back where that plug plugs into. And I probably could do it here on the van, but I'm pretty sure it's either it's bad or the alternator's bad. Something's bad in it. It's not charging. So it's gonna have to come off anyway. So I'm gonna jerk it off. All right, I got it off. There's some corrosion on this stud right here that goes to the battery. And I was fixing to wonder if that might have been the reason it won't charging, but I got to thinking about it. When I would crank the van up, it would squeal. I'm talking about, it's pretty good squeal, pretty bad. And it did that for like 3 or 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and quit. But it got worse. And when I noticed the alternator quit charging, it's when the squeal quit. So it may be something inside. But I'm gonna pop this off. I don't know if there's a way to check this, to test it. It's only like, I don't know, 20 bucks, $23. But I hate to spend money on this. And I reckon that's called a regulator in there. I don't know, you know what I'm talking about. One's a regulator and one's something else. Magneto or something, I don't know. Anyway, you got a piece here and this. I think to get that off, it's kind of more intense. But I'm fixing to find out. Hell, if I trash it, I got to have one anyway. I just buy one if I trash it. So let's see what it looks like. Yep. So apparently, I'm a guess this is my problem right here. And I think I seen this thing, I think they call it a regulator. I ain't real sure. But I'm gonna buy one on Amazon and try it. See what it looks like. I guess I am. Something there don't look right. I don't know if that's supposed to look like that or not. See if I can get you where you can see it. It's got like some kind of felt material in there. Well, like I said before, it ain't worth a shit like it is now, so. Try to pick it out. I'm gonna get some glasses on too. I think that the grooves in that shaft for them regular magnets or whatever the hell that thing is to stick in there. Oh yeah, it fits in there perfect. That's what the groove is in there for. And all that gunk must be just gunk. So where I'm at. May get some contact cleaner and spray in there. And I got some here right there. Some of that. I don't know, people. I don't know if that's what the problem is or not. I don't know. The only thing I need to do is buy one and try it and see what happens. So, today's Saturday. Maybe I can get one ordered the weekend and be here in the next day or so. So until then, it'll be another day. Folks, I didn't do no video and putting the regulator on, but I put the regulator on the back of the alternator and now it is charging. So a $15 part from Amazon fixed it. I know they say a lot of times that's what goes out on the old alternator, the regulator or that, whatever the hell that thing is on the inside. But I know I think there's some soldering on it. Let's get my ass. But anyway, it's running, charging. So go do something else. I may go ahead and hook up my LEDs on the headlights to a switch. But that's it for this one. This video's been like 3 weeks in the making. But maybe I can get back on it pretty heavy here shortly. See y'all.